All right, guys, welcome back. AJ here, coming at you with looks like module three, product selection. So hopefully at this point, guys, you've set up your basics of your store, and now you're ready to get the ball rolling. So in this section, we're going to focus on essentially brainstorming a product idea from scratch if you don't already have one. Now, this can come in multiple ways, guys. You can already have something in mind. We can brainstorm something together, or you can just copy something that's working. So, in an effort to make this the easiest part of the course, I decided to go ahead and just give you some really basic ideas you can go ahead and use now. My theory behind this is finding a product to sell has always been the most challenging part of any online course for e-commerce. I don't care if it's high ticket dropshipping or whether you've done AliExpress dropshipping or whether you've dropshipped for Amazon, it does not matter. Always finding a winning product seems to be the most challenging. And I've always found in past times that this is the section of any business venture where people usually lose motivation and walk away from the opportunity in general. In an effort to prevent that for you guys, and make sure that you keep the momentum rolling because you have some successful wins under your shoulders, under your belt now. You've already should have created your store, set up some basic branding, set up your Shopify account, and now you have something. You have tangible results, right? You've done some work. You've watched my videos, and now you're at this point. You're like, okay, what do we put in the store? So again, there's no real right answer in this one. There's no step by step I can possibly give you that gives you a winning niche every single time. Everyone is different. Every product is different, guys. As I mentioned in phase one, we're really drilling for oil here. The name of the game is just to drill for oil and hopefully you hit gold, right? Or you hit oil. And in in that respect, what we're trying to do basically with the rapid testing method is always be looking for products. Always, never stop. But the goal here is to get launched with a product as soon as possible. Why do I want you guys to do that? Because I want you to focus on uh, going through the process of launching a store, finding a product, even if the first one is a dud, it doesn't matter because everything has value. Everything is going to lend itself to the next thing. You're going to build momentum. You're going to build experience. You're going to learn how to find a product. You're going to learn how to talk to suppliers. You're going to learn how to run ads. And you're going to build your database because guess what? Every little thing you do, Facebook, Google, and all your advertising search tools are going to remember what you're doing, and it's going to make it that much easier on your next product. So don't put too much emphasis on finding the perfect product. As a matter of fact, if you don't know what to sell and you get stuck, I'm going to encourage you to copy something that's already working, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But I'll also show you my top wins, if you will, my top categories, my top metrics I use for finding a winning niche. So you can see here we're on module three. We still have several modules to go. Just want to kind of show you where you're at now. So in this section, here's what we're going to be going over. Obviously the intro to the module, which is what we're doing now. Then I'm going to give you some quick tips and suggestions on what to expect, what to avoid. We're going to go over good niche versus bad niche. We're going to cover product versus niche, so you understand that there's niche and then there's a product. They don't mean the same thing. I'm going to give you my top 7 to 10 best websites, Facebook fan pages, and really places I go online to get really cool product ideas really fast, and I'm going to share them with you. This is the stuff I literally use every time I want to launch a store. We're going to go over brainstorming ideas, and that's really the focal point here. We're going to write it all down, and then we're going to validate what we research using Google Trends and Google Keywords. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video.